Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, all dear participants. Now, after dozens of sessions on the blockchain, now let us relieve some stress, and hence the next session we are having Mr. Saurav Ghosh, the healthy lifestyle and stress management. Mr. Saurav Ghosh, the young, dynamic, and engineer sportsman. Mr. Saurav has completed his electronics and telecommunication engineering from Vivekanand College of Engineering. After that, he has completed his MBA from IIM Lucknow. Currently, he is working as co-founder at Sports Reconnect and been voted as top 10 sports startups in India. He is working as faculty and state youth coordinator at Art of Living and taught more than 15,000 students to lead a more powerful and purposeful life in the last 12 years. An engineer has lot of achievements under his belt. He has won multiple times national medal in table tennis. He has created a Commonwealth gold medal in year 2018 and 35 national champions across various sports. He's been voted as a young achiever from India by ETV Yuva Bharat. In the era of stressful life of human being, he has delivered a lot of sessions on stress relief and mind management. He has delivered a realizing true potential and the purpose of life session, essence of teamwork, how to overcome obstacle, multitasking and energy management, etc. He has delivered his sessions at various institutes across India. So we are having a all-rounder, eminent, young and dynamic personality amongst us. We are very fortunate, sir. So once again, I would like to welcome Mr. Saurabh. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for this wonderful introduction. Really a pleasure to be here and an honor to be amongst all of you. I think one thing that I want to just start with is all of us as teachers, as faculty members of different institutes, I think we play such a critical role in building lives for the future. Yeah. So I just want to give a big round of applause to each and every one of you for really working so hard and making sure that the India tomorrow is even better than India today. I just want to request one thing, sir. Can we enable the chat feature by any chance? Is that something which is possible? So that we can have a little bit of interaction. I don't just generally want it to be a one-way traffic. It's nice to be talking amongst all. Otherwise, if it's not possible, then I would request people to just unmute and just share whenever I ask you a question. Because this session is not going to be...
People can unmute them.
People
can unmute themselves and get satisfied with your answers.
Super. Okay, thank you so much, sir. So let me tell each and everyone who is listening to me right now that this session is going to be fun. This session is going to be highly interactive, and it completely depends on your participation. I know I am the person between you and a very tasty lunch. This is a very dangerous time to do the session, but I will keep it as fun and as light as possible. And I would also like to share certain things, just small hacks. When I started doing that in my life, I noticed such a big change in whatever I was doing. Whether I was teaching, whether I was as a person, whether I was leading an organization, whatever I was doing, I was able to do a lot more better, yeah, just by following certain interesting hacks. Yeah. We're going to focus on that today, and I'm also going to cover what are the different ways in which we can lead a more purposeful life. Yeah. So my topic for today is healthy living and stress management. I just want to ask each one of you who is listening to me today, you can just unmute and share. What do you expect from this session today? आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या होने वाला है इस session में? I would like to listen few of your thoughts as well. If any of you would want to share, please. Anybody would like to just share whatever is your thoughts? What do you think this session is all about? Anybody? No one? Either it means that you have a lot of expectations or absolute zero expectations. Anyone, if you would want to share. Okay, let's go ahead. Doesn't matter. Let's go ahead. I would like to start with a very interesting question. Yeah. My interesting question to you is, generally, if you notice in our life, a lot of times we want to increase a lot of our energy, right? Because when our energy levels are high, then whatever we do, we are able to do it better. जैसे अगर हमारी energy levels ऊंची है, so then we are able to take lectures in the morning. We are able to maybe balance our family life so much more better. We are able to pursue our own hobbies, take time out. We are able to do so many things. But if for some reasons, if our energy levels are low on certain days, then we get tired. Yeah? After delivering maybe a couple of lectures, we feel like I need to rest a little. So I want to ask you a very important question to each and everyone who is listening today is, what do you think, from where do we get this energy? What are the different sources of energy? Can anyone would like to share? What do you think is the sources of energy that we get from? Anyone?
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Namaste.
Namaste, sir. Namaste. Go ahead, sir. I'm listening to you.
Hello. Yes, sir. Please.
Yes, sir. You were sharing something? Okay, I think maybe sir is facing some little network issues. Doesn't matter. So anyone else would like to share from where do we get this energies from? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I think it's a source of our good health, sir.
Good health, very nice. Thank you, Nikita ma'am. Thank you for sharing. Good health is a source of energy. Okay, great. What else are the source of energy? Can anybody tell me something more?
Sir, meditation and yoga.
Meditation and yoga. Okay. Actually, let me just do a little diversion from it. The meditation and yoga leads to a happy mind, and a happy mind is an actual source of energy. Because when we feel very happy, then automatically we are a full bundle of energy, right? What else? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Sulashna ma'am, for answering that. Anybody else would like to share? Come on. It's going to be fun. We are also going to play a couple of games as well. Okay, so it's going to be a fun session.
Surrounding environment.
Surrounding environment, beautiful, sir, beautiful. Okay, surrounding environment can be a source of energy, and though I am going to put it in the happy mind bracket, because if your surrounding is not nice, then maybe my mind gets affected, and that is where this particular thing, can correlate with better. Yeah. But a very simple source of energy that you do probably every day. Come on, anybody? You get energy from there for sure. Anyone? Breathing, absolutely. Breathing is the most important source of energy. Very nice. And there are two more which you did not answer, but still, it's food and sleep, right? So one, I'll just recap the four sources of energy. One is food, very important. Second is sleep. Third is breathing, and fourth is a happy mind. Yeah? These are the four sources of energy. So I'm going to cover a little in detail about each of those four and common mistakes that we often make uh, in these four regions. Okay, so let me just go with the first thing with food. Now, in food, it's often काफी time ऐसे होता है कि हम ज़्यादा खा लेते हैं और lot of us have this issue of overeating. So what is the trick behind this and how can you avoid overeating? The first thing that we need to understand is that it takes approximately 2 hours for the 20 minutes for the signal to go from the stomach to the brain, the final thing. So for example, we will have one more chapati, yeah, and then we suddenly realize after 20 minutes, I should not have had that extra chapati. So when you feel that this is, मतलब ये मैं एक और खा सकता हूँ, at that point of time, it's a great idea to stop. Okay, so that's one about food. The second thing about food is we ideally should not mix water with food. Often a lot of digestive issues happen simply because हम पानी और खाना एक साथ पीते हैं. What happens because of that? The food becomes undigestible at times. So what should you do? Yeah, if you have a adat of having one full glass compulsorily, what should you do? Yeah, have one sip, minor sip of water. Yeah, at least start with that. If you can fully avoid, that is the ideal thing. So ideally, we are supposed to have 20 minutes prior, 15 to 20 minutes prior to the meal, and maybe 30 minutes after the meal. This is where generally you should mix the water and take. This is my second thing about food. My third thing about food is, a lot of times people often suffer with acidity. काफी बार acidity के issues होते हैं. I just want to talk a little bit about what acidity is. Acidity is nothing but the stomach being very insecure. उसको पता ही नहीं है stomach को कि खाना आज कितने बजे आने वाला है. Like yesterday we might have had food at 12 o'clock. Today we might be having food at 3 o'clock. So based on yesterday's statistics, the stomach might be waiting. कि आज खाना आएगा, 12 o'clock हो गया, 12:30 हो गया, 1 o'clock हो गया. There is no food. And suddenly at 3 there is a huge huge load of food which is coming. So stomach gets very, very confused. So I'll give you a challenge. If any of you are facing acidity issues, just do this for 7 days. Just ensure that you are having the meal at the same time. That's it. And I tell you this out of sure experience, that your acidity problem will completely vanish if you just have time at regular intervals. Just have food at the regular intervals of time. That's it. So these are the three things that I just wanted to stress about food. I think you know a lot more about food, and this is not my topic in detail. So I just wanted to bring three things which are very important. I'll just quickly recap those. One, when you know that this is one more thing serving that I can have, it's a good idea to stop, because sometime later you will realize that you might have overeaten. The second, do not mix water with food. The third is have food at proper times. This will ensure that you eliminate acidity from your life completely. Okay. The second source of energy that I want to talk about is sleep. Now, sleep is a very, very interesting source of energy, and often we do not even know a lot more about sleep. So I just want to ask you, how many of you, if you're able to just see me, you can just unmute and just share yes. How many of you would like to know some more secrets of sleep so that you can enhance your sleeping quality? आप कम सो के ज़्यादा fresh महसूस कर सकते हो. Any of you would like to know? If you can just share a yes, unmute and just share a yes, so that I know that you are listening. Okay,
Yes,
so you can raise your hands. Thank you. Okay, awesome, great. You can raise your hands. That would really give me a signal. That's fine. Okay. So few secrets of sleep. The first and foremost secret of sleep: the last thought that you sleep with is the first thought that you wake up with. जो आखिरी विचार से हम सोते हैं, वो पहला विचार होता है, वो अक्सर हम उससे जागते हैं. मतलब क्या? For example, if for some reason you are slept by watching a horror movie, then have you noticed that a lot of times, even in the night, you are thinking about that? So what is a great idea to do? Just before sleeping, do something which you really enjoy. For example, read a nice book, maybe do some chanting. If not anything, maybe just take 15 to 20 long, deep breaths. That's all. The moment you do this, I assure you, your sleeping quality will really, really improve. Okay, so this is the first thing, and I'm also going to teach you a pranayam today, which will enhance your quality of sleep. All right, a little later, I'll come to that second part of my session, which is going to be purely on techniques. The second secret about sleep. Again, you can just raise hands and just tell me how many of you have this interesting habit of keeping on pressing the snooze button. Like for example, we wake up in the morning and then you press the snooze button, and then you'll again wake up a little and then again press the snooze button. Any of you have this very interesting habit of keeping on pressing? I used to have that. Okay, some of you shared this. Lovely, lovely. So let me tell you a secret on this. The secret on this is there is something called as sleep cycle. एक sleep cycle बोला जाता है इसे, which is nothing but a time period of 1.5 hours. Okay, each sleep cycle generally on an average constitutes of 1.5 hours. There are different stages of sleep. I'm not going to go into that particular aspect, but just for our understanding, 1.5 hours का एक sleep cycle होता है. So, for example, I sleep at 12 o'clock in the night and I have to wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Just as an example. So, my first sleep cycle will finish from 12 to 1:30. Second sleep cycle will finish from 1:30 to 3. Third from 3 to 4:30. Fourth from 4:30 to 6. Now, there's a very interesting fact about the sleep cycle. If you wake up in between the sleep cycle, you will feel groggy and you will feel like, you'll feel like that type of a state of mind. But if you wake up at the end of the sleep cycle, you will suddenly feel fresh, you will suddenly feel good. Yeah? It's a very interesting habit. Yeah? So, what you can ideally do is just position your time of getting up according to your sleep cycle. For example, in the same thing, if I have to wake up at 6:30, then either I can sleep a little late, half an hour late, or I can sleep 1 hour early in such a way that I am positioning my sleep and I wake up at the end of the sleep cycle. If you press an alarm, you don't need to keep 5, 6, 7 alarms at a time. You just need to keep one alarm and you will wake up so much more fresh and so much more easily. Yeah? So once more, I just want to illustrate. Suppose you want to wake up at 7 o'clock, and you sleep at 1 o'clock. The first sleep cycle will be 1 to 2:30. Second will be 2:30 to 4, 4 to 5:30, and 5:30 to 7. So it fits in properly with your sleep cycle. Yeah? And ideally, for a normal human being who is not too much into physical effort, 6 to 7 hours of sleep or 7 to 8 hours of sleep is good enough for your system, provided that sleep is much, much more deeper. And that is you are able to achieve by one, I'm going to teach you a pranayam today, and second, by just iterating your time in such a way that you wake up at the end of sleep cycle. This is the second thing. The third thing on improving your quality of sleep is by having yellow lights next to you. You know, if you look at evolution, अगर हम अपने पुराने evolution को पूरा देखें, so earlier there used to be no electricity, there used to be no lights, right? So it used to be natural, right? Even when you अभी काफी बार हम गांव में जाते हैं हमारे, तो इतना ज़्यादा electricity नहीं use होता है. आपको पता है all the activities after 7 o'clock, it's shutting down, right? You are in yellow light, the moonlight, etc. It's not the high intensity light that we generally have. Yeah? But coming from a city of Bombay, in a city which never sleeps, there is so much of light, right? So one quick change that you can make is you can change into yellow light, and that will also have a very profound effect in your sleeping patterns. All right. Yeah? So these are three things that I just want to cover with respect to sleep. First, I'll just quickly recap. The last thought that you sleep with is the first thought that you wake up with. Yeah? So ensure that you sleep with a great state of mind. Yeah? How to do that better? Maybe by reading a book, by doing some breathing practice, one of which I will teach you today, or anything which makes you happy. Yeah? Second is you alter the sleep cycle in such a way that you wake up at the end of the sleep cycle so that you are able to wake up much, much more fresh. And then probably you will reach to a state where you don't even need an alarm clock. अपने आप you get up and you feel so fresh that today आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा है जाने वाला. So this is the second thing. The third is it would be a great idea if we can move to yellow lights instead of white light. That is something which will automatically signal to the system the day is getting over. One of the other things that you can move to yellow light is this mobile device. Yeah. This also has yellow light or blue light options that will also really, really help. Yeah. I hope that was useful with respect to sleep. Yeah. We'll move to the second, the third, and the fourth source of energy, and which is even more important than the first two sources of energy. I'll tell you why. The first two sources of energy are limited source of energy. Meaning, if you have too much of food, like especially in weddings, etc., we have too much of food often. We don't feel like, wow, let's do something. We feel like, chalo jaake sote hain. Yeah? So, too much of food does not give too much of energy. Yeah? They are limited source of energy. You need to have proper quantity of sleep, proper quantity of food to ensure to get the optimum source of energy. But the remaining two, which is the breath and the happy meditative mind, they are unlimited source of energy. Yeah? Meaning, if you know how to tap into these two sources, the kind of change that you can possibly imagine yourself will be amazing. And especially as a student, when a student learns this, they really start enjoying and seeing such a drastic increase in their productivity. Yeah? So let me talk about a little bit about the breath. Yeah? Often, you might be noticing that we eat around 2 to 3 kilograms every single day. Okay, 2 से 3 हम kilos खाते हैं on an average. We drink maybe on a higher side 3 to 4 liters of water. Yeah. 2 to 3 liters of food. 2 to 3 kgs of food. 3 to 4 liters of water at the higher side. But let me tell you something interesting. Yeah. We generally breathe around 12,000 liters of air. Yeah. It's 12,000. Yeah. And also in terms of number of times, you eat food maybe 3 times. Yeah. We take bath once. But you know how much time do we breathe? We breathe 20 to 30,000 times a day. So average is 22,000 times a day. Yeah. So just imagine if we are breathing wrong, yeah, or if we do not know the correct way of breathing, yeah, for something which you are doing 22,000 times a day, yeah, imagine how much of effort it will be required. So we are going to learn today a very interesting thing of how to do the correct way of breathing. Yeah? And also I invite you today to go on this journey, a beautiful journey of exploration, of learning breathing techniques, yeah, and really seeing the change that it can bring about in your lives. One more thing I just want to tell you a secret about breath is that every emotion has a corresponding rhythm in the breath. For example, when I get angry, I breathe fast. Yeah. Have you noticed that? You breathe, how dare you do? You breathe fast, right? When you are fearful, जब भी डर लगता है, then we breathe heavy breaths. I don't know what will happen. You breathe heavy breaths, right? The third thing is when you are very happy, yeah, we take long and deep breaths. Just imagine you are in a beautiful sunrise or you're seeing a beautiful sunset alone in a beach. How do you breathe? Like, wow, you're feeling so good. Yeah? Like, how do we smell a flower? We smell like, we take long deep breaths. We don't go like, ऐसे नहीं करते ना. Yeah? So, what is this? That every emotion has a corresponding rhythm in the breath. Yeah? Similarly, in that context, if we just learn to breathe in a proper way, then we will be able to control our emotions rather than emotions handling us. That is the secret that the breath possesses. And breathing techniques is primarily based on this very fundamental, that if we are able to give a little attention to our breath on an every single day basis, yeah, you will be amazed at the kind of transformation that it can happen. Yeah. I have seen over the last 12-13 years that I have been teaching the Art of Living courses, I have seen drastic health improvements in people just by learning breathing techniques. Yeah. I have seen people getting cured of cancer. I have seen people getting cured of chronic asthma issues, migraine issues, headache issues, you name it. And I would have seen so many transformation just by learning breathing techniques, and not just by learning, by practicing those techniques. Yeah. That is how powerful our breath is. Okay. The fourth thing that I want to mention, and I'm going to cover in detail today about the breath, and it's not going to be just a theoretical session, because I don't want this session to be like, कैसा था, अच्छा था, क्या था, I enjoyed listening to it. But what did you learn? Nothing. Yeah. So I'm going to go into a lot of practical techniques for each and every one of us here, so that we can learn it, we can practice it, and we can really ensure that we lead a more healthy and a more happy life. Yeah. And especially because nowadays, due to COVID, one of the most important things is breathing techniques, because what COVID does primarily is it starts affecting the lungs, right? Lungs meaning your breathing capacity starts decreasing. But just by learning breathing techniques, you are able to enhance that lung capacity, and you are able to flush out the stale air in the lungs, or you're able to have better circulation in the lungs, thereby increasing your immunity drastically. So we're going to learn one technique especially on that today. The fourth source of energy that I want to cover is that of a happy mind. A happy mind is something very, very critical, and probably you all know it better than me. But I'm going to make you play a game. Okay, I'm going to make you play a game. I don't know how this will work. This is the first time I'm going to play without any cameras on or without any chat option enabled. But I would request you to please participate for my sake. Yeah. Just do this process, and I will ask you one question, very simple question. At the end, please do unmute and share. It would be really, really nice. Okay. So the game is as follows. When I say go, you need to count the number of round things in your room. आपके रूम में जितने भी गोल चीजें हैं ना, वो आपको काउंट करने. All right? Yeah. I'm going to give you 30 seconds for the same. Your time starts now. Come on. Count the number of round things in the room. Quickly. Quick. I'll give you 30 seconds. Number of round things in the room. Come on, there are a lot of round things. Jaldi. Okay, stop. Okay, can you unmute and share how many round things were you able to count? Quickly. And if any of you can please switch on your videos, that would be really, really nice. Yeah, could you pardon me once more?
7, sir.
7, super. Okay. Anybody else would like to share? How many round things were you able to count?
6.
6. Okay. Anybody else? Come on.
20.
20. Very nice.
6.
6. Okay. What else? Come on. Anybody else would like to share any other number?
25.
25. Wow. Okay. Amazing. All right. So, actually, the number is a little bit more. It's not so less. See, all of our eyes are round. If you just see the screen, you will see so many round logos of every person's name. Yeah. All our fan regulators are round. Yeah. So many things are round, right? Yeah. So I'm going to give you one more chance. The number is not so less. Yeah. Number is actually a little bit more. I'm going to give you one more chance. Let's give it 100% and see what happens. And I'll derive something very beautiful out of it. Okay. So let's give it 100%, and 30 seconds starts now. Come on, go for it. Count the number of round things once more. Count your eyes, count maybe your buttons, count maybe the number of round icons that you can see on the screen. Whatever you can see, quickly. Last 15 seconds, come on. Count. Jaldi. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, super. Tell me, how much did you count this time? Kitne count kar paye aap?
23, sir.
25.
23, 35. Very nice. Okay, number have increased. Okay, great. What else? Anybody else would like to share?
Yes, sir. 70.
Yeah. Ma'am, please go ahead once more.
Sir, 70.
70. Wow, amazing. Okay, 70. Great. Anybody else? Anyone else would like to share? Okay, great. 89. My God, sir, you guys are amazing. Each one of you were able to count such a great number. Okay, my question is actually something different. My question to you is, in the second time when you were counting and really gave your best, how many square things did you see? How many? Could you unmute and share? Did you see a square thing? Yes or no? Maybe no, right? Yeah. Maybe a trick question. How many square things he kahan se aaya? What would have happened generally is You were so focused in seeing round things that square things, even if it would have come, you would have said, just ignore it, right? Or it might, square things might not have even registered in your brain. You know, what do we learn very important and very critically from this is whatever we focus on in our life, that really grows. आप जिस चीज पर भी focus करोगे ना, वो बढ़ता है. For example, if I'm going to focus on all the good things in my life, what grows in my life? Good things in my life grow. If I'm going to focus on all the complaints in my life, what grows in my life? All complaints grow. So, जो भी चीज पे हम focus करेंगे, whatever we focus on in our life, that grows. So every single day, if you focus on how grateful we are, कि हम कैसे कि आज क्या क्या अच्छा हुआ है, and I tell you that can bring such a big shift. I remember starting this very habit of writing 5 good things that has happened every single day in my life. Yeah. So I would write it in the night कि 5 अच्छे चीज जो हुए, and I would share it with my wife, and just by sharing, and she would share it with me. And I realized that just by sharing this, the whole relationship between us changed. Yeah? We used to focus on good things, the 10 good things that happened in our life. And even if some not so good thing happened, that went by the way. A lot of times we do the reverse. Yeah? What used to normally happen is we would talk about one thing that did not go the way it should have. And that is a practice. Yeah? This tendency of focusing on good things rather than on negative things is a practice. I'll give you another example. Yeah? Suppose we go to Bangalore, okay, and you go to Bangalore and one rickshaw fellow takes you for a ride, okay. जो distance 30 रुपए का cover होता था, उसने आपसे 150 रुपए ले ली. You'd go into a second rickshaw. That fellow again takes you for a ride, and again, what distance would be 50 rupees takes 300 rupees for you. From you. Yeah? The third time it again happens. Yeah? And by the time you are, after that, you come back to Bombay. Right? Now, when you come back, what is the general tendency that we will see? We will say about Bangalore rickshawalas? Yeah? All of the Bangalore rickshawalas are faltu. All of the Bangalore rickshawalas are cheaters. What is the sample size? What is the set that we have used? Only 3 people. But what we have generally done is we have extrapolated it, yeah, and generalized it, yeah, to each and everything. Right? So a lot of times with negative things, sometimes our mind plays this trick on us of generalizing. Yeah. And this can be eliminated by learning a very interesting practice called as meditation. What is meditation, you might ask me? Meditation is just being with whatever is happening. देखो काफी बार now each and every one of us use a smartphone, right? हर एक जन smartphone use करते हैं. So sometimes if lot of apps are working in your smartphone, what do? We remove those apps. हम apps को निकाल देते हैं. We say यार इसको निकाल दो. Yeah? Or we close those apps, whatever it is, to speeden up the process. Right? Similarly, yeah, in our mind, there are so many impressions that we carry on a day-to-day basis, or that we accumulate on a day-to-day basis. Yeah? Something our family might have said, something might be our colleague might have said, something some external person might have said, some or the other. We accumulate so many things, positive as well as negative. Yeah? But by learning techniques which can eliminate all of this, yeah, can really help you to ensure that our mind is free. Otherwise, if you notice, we go into this particular tendency. Abhi मेरे को ये करना है, and then I want to do this, then I want to do the third thing, and then the fourth thing, and then we go into this habit. अरे यार कुछ भी ठीक से नहीं हो रहा. If at all we might have faced this situation, yeah, I'm going to introduce meditation to you, and we'll also practice that. Yeah, and you tell me whether the number of thoughts in your mind has reduced or not after practicing it. Yeah, I'll let you experience and then you can share. Okay. Yeah. So these were the one last thing about the happy mind is I just want to illustrate how powerful our mind is. You might have had this example that we might have woken up at 4 a.m. in the morning, feeling very, very fresh, supercharged, and then suddenly you might have looked at the watch and said, "Abhi to 4 hi baja hai. Chalo वापस आके सो जाते." What has happened? The mind has played a nice trick on us. You are fresh, but the mind says 4 o'clock, I should sleep. So our mind is incredibly powerful. And just by focusing on breathing techniques and on techniques to enhance our state of mind, we will be able to really sail through life in such a beautiful manner. Yeah. So before I go ahead, I want to ask each and every one of you, is there any questions? Yeah. Because this session, the next part, I'm going to teach you some certain techniques, but the second part also will work on your questions. So any questions you have, please feel free to unmute and just ask right now, and I can go ahead after that. Any questions
Yes.
you have?
Participants, if you have any questions, unmute yourself and ask the question.
Anything? No questions?
Sir,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
sir, as you told that before sleeping, think something good, something positive. Whenever we try to do that, negative thing also come in mind.
Yeah.
How we avoid that?
Very good, very nice. Such a beautiful question. Thank you, Nikita ma'am. Okay, I'm going to cover this with another small game. Okay, so what I want everyone to do is I want each and everyone to close your eyes. Come on, just do this game with me. Yeah, everybody close your eyes. Now you can think of anything else other than a monkey. एक बंदर के बारे में मत सोचो, किसी के बारे में भी सोचना है सोचो, लेकिन एक बंदर आपके चेहरे के सामने नहीं आना चाहिए. Everybody, come on, close your eyes. Do not think of a monkey, especially a monkey jumping from one tree to the other. Do not think of it. Slowly open your eyes. That's what came. I'm sure monkeys would have come, right? Now, the secret behind this is whatever we resist in our life, that persists. The problem is not with negative thoughts coming. The problem is we start resisting the negative thoughts. Arey yaar, Jaan, why is this thought? Why is this negative thought coming? And we start fighting with it. The more we resist it, the more we fight it, the more it comes. It never goes. So the skill is, like the positive thoughts has come or the negative thoughts has come, let it come. It has come without our permission. It will go without our permission also. But do not resist or do not keep on thinking, why this has come, why this, I should think positive, and you are getting negative thought. That is not the correct way of doing it. You will get so stressed doing this. So when negative thoughts are coming, okay, it's a negative thought, it will go on its own. Just by light awareness will help you to overcome this. So similarly, when you lie down just before sleeping, and if positive thoughts, you are just thinking of what all good things you are enjoying, and some negative thoughts are coming. Okay, it has come, it will go. Don't pay too much attention to it. And that is why in that situations, it is better to do a technique rather than something which you are doing as a practice. Yeah? Some technique is much more powerful than just reading a book or just saying to yourself, I'll have a great day. A technique is much more powerful. Yeah? So we'll cover that now. Yeah? Does that answer your question, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah? Any other question you have?
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I want to ask, as in you have mentioned about meditation, but we can see there are many ways to do it. Someone will guide in that way that you should say like this while doing meditation. Someone will say differently. So why it is like that? Then if it is a process is same, then why the different approaches for doing the same purpose?
So, ma'am,
I don't know. I used to confuse between like sometimes hearing to, listening to some other and sometimes it is different. So it creates a little bit confusion for a common man. I don't know. I'm not expert in this domain, but still.
No, no, it does, it does, it does. I understand from the space that you're coming from, ma'am. So it's like this, ma'am. The destination is the same, but the pathways are different. Like, for example, if you have to reach to VT station, there are different ways of reaching from Bharati Vidyapit College. We can go by train, we can go by bus, we can go to a certain station and go into a fast local. There can be different ways. Yeah, the pathways are different, and why it is like that is because for different people, different thing resonates. Yeah? For me,
Okay.
some type of meditation might be nice. For somebody else, some other thing of meditation might be nice. Yeah?
Okay.
However, if you get benefit from one technique, yeah, I would always recommend not to go spiritual shopping, but to go dive
Okay.
deep into that particular technique. Whatever that technique is absolutely okay. But you will experience the true benefit of a technique when you have dived
Okay.
deeper into this.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
so I'm
Thank
going
you.
to cover, ma'am, a little basics of meditation today. Certain things
Okay.
of meditation, certain myths of meditation, and then whatever meditation you do. Yeah, there are different
Mm.
forms. There are different organizations which does it. I
Yes.
personally do the
Yes.
Art of Living course, but there are different organizations, and each organization is beautiful in its own way. Yeah,
Yeah.
but the pathways are different. The destination is the same. The effect would be probably the same. Yeah, but there will be
Okay.
some things which you will resonate with, yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
Sure.
when you do that technique, you will feel that this is the right technique, yeah.
Yeah.
If you do not
Yeah.
have it, then I would invite you to explore a little bit more. You will feel
Sure.
that
Sure.
this technique is right for
Yeah.
you. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Any other question before we move to techniques? One last question I can take. Anybody else? Okay, let's go. First thing that we will go into techniques. The first, before I go into techniques, I just want to quickly recap. We learned about the 4 sources of energy. Yeah. The reason why I'm recapping is so that I hope you take home something back. Yeah. From this and you implement it in your life. Yeah. Because for me, the greatest satisfaction will be that we have learned something and we have implemented it and it has really worked and changed something. Yeah. So we learned about the 4 sources: food, sleep, breath, and a happy mind. Yeah. The first one is on food. Yeah. The food is regarding food. We learned about why not to mix water and food together, not to have water and food together. Second, when it is the last serving, delay, don't have that. Often we end up overeating. Third, regarding acidity, having food at regular intervals of time or at proper timing will eliminate the problem of acidity. The second thing we learned about sleep, we learned about the sleep cycle, 1.5 hours ka every sleep cycle. So you position your timing accordingly, it will help you to sleep so much more better. The second on sleep was the last thought that you sleep with is the first thought that you wake up with. So doing something just before sleeping will help you to enhance your quality of sleep, right? The third thing we learned, I just briefly emphasized about yellow lights, that will really help. Then we moved on to the breath. We learned the importance of breath and how every breath, every emotion is connected to the breath. Yeah, every rhythm of the breath. And how by learning breathing techniques, which we are going to learn now, we are able to control our emotions rather than emotions controlling us. Yeah. And then we learned a little bit about the mind. Yeah. We learned that whatever we focus on in our life, that grows. Yeah. So if we focus on good things in our life, good things will grow in our life. Yeah. That is the basis of that book called as The Secret. You might have heard. Yeah. What it talks about is exactly this. It talks about you focus on good things. You have an intention, you work on it, yeah, and it manifests. Yeah. One slight thing that I have personally learned out of experience is that once you put action on that, put attention on that, you don't have to keep on thinking about it. Yeah. You don't have, "Arey, yaar, mereko aaj karna hai, mereko ye karna hai, mereko ye karna hai." That results in unnecessary stress. Yeah. So you have an intention, you put attention on that, and then you drop it and see it will automatically manifest. Yeah. And we also learn that whatever we resist in our life, that persists. So if negative thoughts are coming in our life, in our mind, let it come. It will automatically go. This is the content that we covered in the last 45 minutes or so. I'm going to move into the next next part of the session, which is on techniques, and this is going to be purely on the basis of practice. Okay, so if you do not experience this right now, maybe nothing might happen. Yeah, but if you practice it with me, it's very simple. I'm going to give you a few things which you can do right now sitting. Yeah, and I'll guide you through this. It's going to be very, very simple. अगर आप ये practice करते हैं रोज, I promise you it will have a great impact in your life. Yeah. Now, often I'm going to start with a very powerful technique, very simple, with regards to stiffness of the neck, because a lot of times we are forced to now sit in front of the PC. So there are different ways that people sit in front of a PC. One is called a giraffe neck. Yeah, you sit like this. Yeah, there are different ways. So often the neck is a lot of stiff. So I'm going to give you a quick technique to remove stiffness of the neck. But before that, let's test how stiff our neck is right now. Okay. So I want you to breathe in, take your neck back, breathe out, and touch the chin to the chest. Breathe in, take the neck back, breathe out, and touch the chin to the chest. We'll do this one more time, and now you observe whether you are feeling stiff, whatever is happening, just observe. उस पे ध्यान ले जाए, ठीक है? Breathe in, take the neck back, and breathe out, and touch the chin to the chest. Okay? Now we will do a technique. I want you to keep your hands like this, हाथों को ऐसे रखें, and keep it behind the head like this. सर के पीछे रखें. No need to interlock, just keep our hand behind our head. Okay? Now, what we will do is, we'll breathe in. Let's breathe in and increase the distance between your fingers. So, अपने fingers के बीच में distance increase करें. Breathe in and breathe out. Close the distance between the fingers. Once more. Breathe in. Increase the distance between your fingers. You don't need to really press against the head. Just lightly the hand is there. Breathe out and close the distance between your fingers. We'll do this one more time. Now with eyes closed, everybody. Eyes closed. Breathe in. Increase the distance between your fingers. Breathe out and close the distance. Now keeping our eyes closed and hands there wherever it is, we'll make the humming bee sound, which goes like that, in the highest pitch possible. Let's breathe in. We'll do this 3 times, the humming bee sound. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. One last time, I want you to do it with eyes closed. Make the humming bee sound. Breathe in. And slowly relax your hands, relax your face. Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out. And you may open your eyes. And now once more check. Take your neck back and take your neck in front. Has it improved or is it the same? If it has improved, how much percentage of improvement can you see in just 1 minute? Can anybody share whether it has improved or whether it is the same? Anybody would like to share? Okay, so I personally felt a lot of improvement. My neck, if my neck was some stiff, it has really the stiffness has gone. Yeah, could you feel that? If yes, you can just raise your hands maybe on that on the chat icon, or you can just share Yeah, a lot of you could feel. Okay, great, great. Thank you. Yeah. Just imagine in just 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, yeah, you are able to reduce the stiffness of your neck. You know, just imagine if you give little time, 20 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour of day for your own self, yeah, how much improvement of health and well-being you will see. Yeah. And I'm going to just invite you to this journey today. My whole idea of today's session is that it is so important that we focus on our own health and own well-being. Yeah? Because the moment we focus on our own health and own well-being, all the things around us become so much more better. Yeah? People start behaving more better, situation starts becoming more better. Everything happens when we focus on our own health and own well-being. Yeah? Okay, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to do a little bit of sitting exercise, yeah, which you can do like in between two lectures. Often लोगों को back pain बहुत होता है. There's a lot of back pain that happens. So I'm going to teach you 5 exercises which you can do after every 2-3 hours so that you never get back pain. Okay, so let's go. So we learned on the neck. We are going to go to the upper spine. Okay, I'm going to go from upper spine to the lower spine, right? So let's go. Everybody take your hands up. Hands are like this, straight up. Okay. As I breathe in, I'm just going to show it to you because my camera, when I goes up, my hand gets hidden. So as I breathe in, I will take the right hand a little up. Okay, my elbows are going to be straight. It's going to be like this, but I'm going to just take the right hand a little up without bending the elbows. And then I'm going to take the left hand up. Okay, so I'm just going to do this and this. Right, my hands are straight, and I'm going to increase my right hand, increase my left hand, stretch my right hand, stretch my left hand, like this. Okay, this we will do it 10 times on either sides. You might feel something in the upper neck or the cervical region. All right, let's go. The first one. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very nice. And relax. Very good. Superb. It would be great if you can switch on your videos and do this with me so that I can see you, and if there is any correction to be done, I can immediately course correct you. Okay, so it would be nice if you can switch on the videos and do it with me. I hope the first exercise you all got it. If yes, you can just give me a thumbs up. Super. Thank you. Second is we keep our hands like this. हाथों को ऐसे रखें. As we breathe in, we take our hands back. Take our hands back. Come on, everybody. Very good. Hold it. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and breathe out and come back. One more time. Let's breathe in and let's take our hands back. As back as possible. Come on. You can smile and relax. Very good. Relax your hands. You might feel some little reduction of stiffness here on the shoulder region. We'll go to the third exercise for our back. Yeah. We keep our hands like this. Everybody do it. Hands in front, everybody. Very nice. Now pull your fingers towards you. Pull your fingers towards you. Very good. Push the lower part of the palm outwards. Pull the fingers towards you. Very nice. Now take the hands by the sides. Take the hand by the side. Okay. Now, what you have to do is you have to just rotate the hands. Okay, everybody rotate the hands. Come on, do tata to this pain. If it is spinning, let's do tata to this pain. 1, 2, 3. Come on, everybody. 4. With a smile. Only 5 more times. 5, 4. We'll keep pulling the fingers towards you. 3, 2, and 1, and relax. Very nice. This, if you have back pain, this might have been painful for you. आपको थोड़ा दर्द हुआ हो सकता है. Yeah. But this regular exercise of this will really help you in order to eliminate this pain. Okay. Next, we are going to do is let's interlock our hands. हाथों को interlock करें. And let's go up, stretch up. Now, it's very important that we fully align our spine. Come on, stretch up a little bit more. थोड़ा और जा सकते हैं. Very good. Hold, breathe in, breathe out. Now, once more, breathe in. And as you breathe out, go a little towards your right side. Feel the stretch. If you can go a little bit more, go a little bit more. Otherwise, whatever you can, this is the first step. So, do it that much. Breathe in, come back up. Okay, in yoga, it is very important that we going in and going out of the posture is very important. Okay, so breathe in, go in slowly. Don't come out of it slowly. Don't come out of it hastily. Okay, so if you cannot do anything more than that, don't drop your hand. Breathe in and come back up and relax. Huh? This is the basic thing about yoga. It is not about how much you can go. Yeah? I'm sure a lot of us will have different flexibility levels. Yeah? But it is how you go into a posture, how you come out of the posture. Yeah? That is the secret, the basic secret of it. And if I am able to go 1% more than what I had done yesterday, that's a fantastic sign of progress. So this was the fourth exercise of the back. Yeah. The fifth one is a twist. Everybody take your right hand to the left knee. Okay. Now you have to be with my instruction. Right hand to the left knee because you might not be able to see me properly. Right hand to the left knee. Left hand जो है वो पीछे ले लो. Right hand to the left knee, left hand पीछे and twist. Come on, twist a little bit more. A little bit more. And slowly come back. Very good. Now turn around. Left hand to the right knee. Left hand to the right knee. Right हाथ जो है वो पीछे and twist. Twist, twist, twist. And slowly come back. Very good. Yeah. Some of you could have twisted a little bit more. Doesn't matter. Yeah. You can twist a little bit more than what you did just now. Okay. Very good. So these were the 5 exercises for our spine. On regular exercising of the spine, yeah, the back pain will completely get eliminated. Yeah. I just want to share my own personal story. Yeah. So I had a bad slip disc. I used to play table tennis before, yeah, and out of a table tennis injury, I had got a bad slip disc. Yeah. Such a way that मतलब वो खाली bed पे ही रहना पड़ता. Then I realized the problem with back pain is often doctors advise you surgery, but surgery is not a cure. Yeah, they just fix you up. Yeah, that is not the whole essence is that you have a skeleton, yeah, of yours, yeah, the bones, and the muscles needs to be made more stronger. Then the discs are in proper shape, proper place, and your back is more stronger. So while we are doing this exercise, this will ensure that your muscles are exercised every day at least for a few minutes, and then the muscle stiffness and etc. won't happen, and then the back pain will not happen in your life. Yeah. Otherwise, what happens is we wait till it is too late. Yeah. बहुत दर्द कर रहा है, then we go to a doctor. Yeah. But just by doing this simple things, yeah, you will be able to ensure that you are able to overcome back pain so much more easily. Yeah. It's always nice to do exercise on a regular basis and a proper way. But if you do not have time, at least this 5 minutes every 3 hours that you are doing, that will also help. Okay, so you're going to do a little bit more exercise, and then we'll go into meditation and a couple of breathing techniques. Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll do wrist rotation. Everybody, come on, do wrist rotation. Let's do very slowly. Okay, breathe in. Take the wrist down, do it very slowly, with full awareness. Now other side. With full awareness. Come on, everyone, you're all doing well. I can see you. You might be the mind might say jaldi karte hain. Slowly karo और जितना बड़ा circle हो सकता है बनाओ. Very nice. Okay, now open, close, open, close, open, close. Now take your hands like this. हाथों को shoulders पे रखें. Touch the elbows in front. Breathe in. Take as big circle as possible and come down. 1. Let's go. 4 times. Go down. 2. Do it slowly. Breathe in. Go up. And 3. अगर exercise नहीं किया तो कुछ अच्छा आवाज भी आ सकता है. कोई बात नहीं. 4. Now let's change. Other side. Go from back to the front. 1. And 2, and 3, and 4. Very nice. Super. Very good. Okay. One more thing that we will do. Yeah. Just shake your hands a little. Shake your hands. Come on, everybody. Shake your hands. Just shake your hands. Loosen up. Just loosen up your right hand. Loosen up your left hand. Loosen up both the hands. Very nice. Good. Okay. So now we are going to learn the breathing techniques. Yeah. The breathing. There are three things that we will learn. First is called a Bhramari Pranayam. Okay. Bhramari Pranayam will really help us to calm down the nervous system. Okay. Acha, before I go, anybody has any idea what is a pranayam? Anyone wants to share quickly? Pranayam क्या है? आपको क्या लगता है? What do you think pranayam is all about? Anyone? No? Okay. So prana, okay, let's do one thing. Let everybody keep your hands like this and let's shake our hands. Come on. Everybody shake your hands, shake your hands, shake your hands, shake your hands, shake your hands. Shake your hands, shake your hands, shake your hands. Little faster, 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 faster. And stop. You might feel something moving in your hands. Okay? This thing is nothing but your prana. Yeah, and ayam means directing this life force energy, yeah, or prana to different parts of the body. So what does pranayam do? If there is certain areas which has issues, pranayam directs that whole energy of the system to that particular area so that it can automatically heal. Now, so first thing that we are going to learn is called Bhramari Pranayam. What we'll do is we'll keep our hands like this, keep our index finger like this. Keep it on the flap of the ear, the outside portion of the ear. There is an outside portion of the ear, yeah, which you can just open and close. Everybody got this? Yeah, very nice. So you will have to open and close the ear continuously. Okay, this is the movement. Yeah, and you will have to make the humming bee sound. Okay, it's like like that. That is the humming bee sound that you will have to make. All right. Yeah. So let's go. We'll do this around 4 times. Breathe in. Close your eyes and let's start. Some of you are not opening and closing your ears. Please open and close the ears continuously and make the humming bee sound. Let's go. Second round. Breathe in. Let's go. Third round. Breathe in. Keep your eyes closed. Fourth round. Breathe in. And slowly relax your hands. हाथों को विश्राम करें. Keep your eyes closed for 30 seconds. Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly and gradually, you may open your eyes. Very good. So this was Brahmari Pranayama. We'll go to the second technique, yeah, and this is called Bhastrika, which I had mentioned to you, which really enhances the immunity levels of a system. Yeah. You should compulsorily practice this during this tough time that we are facing. This will really enhance to cleanse the circulatory system, no, not respiratory system. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, let's go. We have to keep loose fists in front of our shoulders. Everybody keep loose fists in front of our shoulders. When I say breathe in, at that time you have to raise your hands up and breathe in fully. So it's like breathe in fully and go up. Hands are up and you go up. Okay. When I say breathe out, you come down and you breathe out with a jerk. You go like, okay. So you throw out the stale air in the lungs. Is this clear? When my hand goes up, my fist opens and my palms are like this. When my hands come down, it is coming down back into the starting position like this. I will show it to you once. It will help you to understand and then we will go. Okay. So breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. This is how we will have to do it. Did everybody understand this? Yes, yes, no. You all understood this? If yes, you can just raise your hands on that icon so that I can understand that you have all understood. Okay, you understood. Okay, great. Thank you. All right, so we will be doing 15 times. Okay, this will be 15 times for 2 rounds. हमें दो round करेंगे 15 का each. And after that, I will ask you to just close your eyes and just give you some instructions. I will lead you to a meditation. Okay, what is meditation? Meditation is nothing but just being with whatever is happening. So if I tell you that think about all the noises in the environment and you can think that today I have pav bhaji for lunch, koi baat nahi, doesn't matter. Yeah, whatever is in your mind, it is coming, let it come. All right, just lightly be with my instructions. That's all that is required for you for this form of meditation. Is this okay? Yeah. So we will now. I want you to sit comfortably. I want you to please, keep your phones on silent because we are going to give some time to our own self. हम अपने आप के लिए थोड़ा समय निकालने वाले. You will feel amazing if you do it. Nothing is going to change if you don't do it. Yeah. So I would request you to please give 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes of your time for this, and let's see what happens. All right. Yeah. Let's go. Everybody, let's sit comfortably and let's get ready for Bhastrika. Loose fist in front of our shoulders. Let's take a normal deep breath in before we begin. And breathe out. And now when I say breathe in, your hands will go up. And when I say breathe out, your hands will come down back to the starting position. Let's begin. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. Breathe in, breathe out. Close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out forcefully. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, close your eyes. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, and breathe out and relax. Keep your palms on your lap. Eyes are closed. From now on, till some more time, we'll keep our eyes closed. चाहे जो भी हो जाए, हम अपनी आंखें बंद ही रखेंगे. Let's get ready for the second round of Bhastrika, second and final round of Bhastrika. Loose fist in front of our shoulders. Take a normal deep breath in. And breathe out. Loose fist in front of our shoulders. When I say breathe in, your hands will go up. And when I say breathe out, your hands will come down back to the starting position. Let's begin. Breathe in, out, 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 in and out, and relax. Relax your hands. Let us sit comfortably and easily. We'll meditate for some time. हम थोड़ी देर के लिए ध्यान करेंगे. Let's keep our eyes closed. Let's take a long deep breath in. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. And breathe out. Let's keep our eyes closed and become aware of all the noises in the environment. वातावरण में जो भी आवाजें आ रही है उसके प्रति ध्यान ले जाएं. Maybe the noise of the traffic, noise of people talking, maybe noise of the fan. Whatever noises are there, just totally accept them. Totally accept all the noises in the environment and relax. Let's take one more deep breath in and breathe out. Accept all the noises in the environment. You are now in harmony with the environment. Become aware of our body. Our body is a precious gift from nature. Let's love and respect it. Let's take our attention to your right foot, right knee, right thigh and hip. Relax the whole of your right leg. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Attention on your left foot. Left knee. Left thigh and hip. Relax the whole of your left leg. Relax your stomach. Your chest. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Let's relax our shoulders. Relax your right hand, left hand. Relax your facial muscles. Keep your eyes closed. आंखें बंद ही रखें. Top of the head. Relax your whole body. पूरे शरीर को विश्राम करते जाएं. Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out. Become aware of our thoughts. अपने विचारों के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Good thoughts or bad thoughts. Do not resist any of them. Breathe in and breathe out. Become aware of our feelings, pleasant feelings or unpleasant feelings. Whatever it is, just become aware of it. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. You are now in harmony with your feelings. You are love, you are peace, you are joy. तुम्ही आनंद हो, तुम्ही शांति हो, तुम्ही प्रेम हो. Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, become aware of our feelings. Our thoughts, if there are any. अपने विचारों के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Become aware of our body and giving a big smile on your face, slowly and gradually. Whenever you feel like it, You may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आप अपनी आंखें खोल सकते हो. How are you all feeling? Are you all feeling good? We meditated for approximately 10 minutes. Anybody would like to share? How are they feeling? One thing, if you can observe that the number of thoughts, if you had done this meditation right now, the number of thoughts in your mind would have drastically reduced. Yeah? And that is the power of meditation. That you are able to concentrate so much more better and have a focus in whatever you do. I remember learning these techniques. The Art of Living course has a Sudarshan Kriya as a main technique. I remember learning this technique when I was in my 12th standard, and my dad forced me into this. And I was an average student. I remember practicing these techniques and really seeing my concentration increasingly बहुत ज़्यादा increase करने का महसूस हुआ मुझे. I was an average student. I thought 120, 130 in my CET, around 85, 88 in my PCM was my expectation. From there on, after practicing these techniques, I managed to score around 194 out of 200 in my CET, around 97 in PCM. So a lot of big change in terms of concentration happened after practicing these techniques. And since then, I decided that this is so nice that I should spread this to more people. And it really has helped so many people. You know, I would have taught more than 20,000 people in the last 12 years or so. And this we do it voluntarily with the main intention of, you know, improving people's life. And we have taught courses in so many IIMs, in IITs, very different institutes. And the impact that has in a teacher's life, there's a separate course for teachers, there's a separate course for students. And you really see that you are able to learn techniques which completely eliminate stress from our lives. And I think that is something which is very critical. And I'm open for questions. I just have 6 more minutes. If there's any questions, you can please feel free to take. I can take one more question, and we can conclude. If there's any questions, any of you would like, or if you would like to share your experience, I hope it was fun for you and it was not boring for you. Anybody would like to share anything or take any questions? Ask any questions? Sorry.
Any questions? Any questions from participant side? Or if you want to share, if you want to ask about the pranayama or yoga or any related to any stress, you can ask to sir.
Yeah, anything. Okay, so if there's no questions, great. I'm sure it was a pleasure and an honor to be here. I just want to share a quick feedback link. Ma'am, I have sent you a feedback form link. If you can just circulate it to people, and then I can just get to know their feedback of how was it from the session.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Huh?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, I think all participants enjoyed this session. Now, vote of thanks is given by Professor Ravindra Gure, sir.
Hello. Thanks a lot, sir, for giving such a nice session. And definitely, participants have enjoyed your session. There is one proverb that fresh air empowers the doctor. So we really thankful, sir, for giving such a nice session. Once again, health is a wealth, and we'll be keeping in that mind, and we'll proceed with our work. Definitely, sir. Thanks a lot once again.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, everyone, for inviting me and having me here. Please do experience the techniques that is taught in the Art of Living. It's very nice. Thank you once more. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir.